really not much different than you would with us. So other than the fact we can vocalize and I can say, I am stressed, we're going to show a lot of the same fight or flight, right? So stress usually means you want to leave or fight back to stop the thing that is stressing you. So cats will show a similar response. You can tell by body language sometimes. So if you see dilated pupils, ears pinned back, a swishing tail, those can be signs of a stressed cat. A hiding cat. Cats, because of their ability to climb and get under small areas, have the ability to get away from something that is stressing them. You may see changes in their behavior. So if this is a kitty who, like clockwork, comes out at 6 o'clock for dinner or 6 a.m. For breakfast and doesn't do so, that could be a sign of stress. Avoidance. Really if you look at any of the adjectives that describe how we act when they're stressed, it's kind of the same for the cat. So I think anytime your kitty is not showing what routine behavior or what is right for that cat, you really should probably pay attention, and it may be time to consult a veterinarian, because also things that stress cats besides our own behavior is their own system. So the cat might not be feeling well. And so I'm always going to give a plug for reaching out to your local veterinarian.